I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. I just ran for vice president. What did I do wrong? I did not do anything wrong. I love every one of you. I'm doing this for the Philippines. Di ba may kasabihan tayo? Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo is the Filipino worth dying for. Gusto ko tumakbo pero paano ka tatakbo? Sabi ng doktor ko, Kena, hindi ka na makakahabol. You have no more time. I need 2 to 3 months before they say if I will live or I will die. I was close to death 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I was having visions of war all